welcome back to my channel. I'm Princess CAOC and I'm with
Michaela G. Pedro.
and we are the Gregorio Cousins Vlog. So for today guys, we're gonna test the the 5 slimes buy in the store, and hopefully it's not that very sticky and not that
Paint is super sticky.
And hopefully it's not that very sticky, it's not that very overactivated, and yeah. So guys, I'm gonna rumble. Wait. I'm gonna rumble. Hey! You see that? You're gonna rumble. Okay. Okay. That's alright. What's that? A pink one. Okay. So guys, here it is.
I'm gonna open it.
It's like it's like an egg. I'm cooking an egg, you know. It's very soft, and
Can I try?
it's very clear as well. But
Ate.
oh, it's very sticky. Okay,
Let me try this.
my cousin's turn. Oh, that's very stretchable. Okay. Oh no.
That's
Oh no. So guys, here's the color pink again.
next number.
No.
We're round 2.
Round 1 only. Okay.
Now we use. When I put it on, can you put it on the egg?
Okay. It's not that very egg.
We're done.
We're gonna 1, 2, 3, go guys. Jumble it.
Okay, no peeking. Stop peeking. Done.
Done.
So I hope so.
Oh wait.
Oh, you got a red.
I got a red. I want
Can
that.
It's not cracking. Just stop. It's gonna go down by itself.
Come on, fast.
Please.
Oh guys, look at that one. Just round it. So guys, here it is. It's very soft as well, and it's very clear. I don't know.
No, this is mine.
My mother is asking
Where is mine?
where is her gift, because it's
This
very
is
good.
my gift.
It's very
My gift.
That's her gift. This is my gift. This one.
What?
Ate Princess. And
Where is
yeah.
mine?
Guys, it's very soft also.
Me also.
Okay. So guys, back to slime. Hey, you're very noisy. So guys, back to slime. So here's the color blue. I don't wanna jumble it and like
Hey,
blindfold here in my hand, but I don't want that.
now it's mine. Let's put it on the bowl.
Wait.
Wait.
Did you hear that? That's
Yeah.
very not. That's very
M&Ms.
sounds like satisfying.
M&Ms. I need.
And the 4th one, guys. I don't know. So
Yung
My
ano,
cousin
yung
will
ngayon
choke
sinampay, hindi.
I
wait.
Yung
I
pero
wish I
yung
get the
kahapon na
fish.
isang na ano ko na. Kanina kong tiniklo.
Okay, so hey, stand. Not that stand. Just 1, 2, 3. Okay. Guess what?
This one. I wish it's a fish.
Oh, that's a fish. That's very
guess it.
cute.
Please.
What? Ate?
Okay. Ate, give me a kitty.
Hello Kitty keychain from Star City. Shout out for Star City.
What? Where did
Shout out from Star City. I get it that. It's very hard. I thought it's gonna be soft because the fish is very cute, but it's very hard. Oh my goodness. Give this slime a thumbs down because I don't like this. So guys, this is the 5th one, and hopefully the quality of slime is very cute, good. It's not that sticky. Oh my. I want this slime. It's soft. It's not that very sticky, but yeah. Look at that, how stretchy that is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so guys, by the way, this slime is from Besco. If you are here in the Baliwag, Bulacan, if you are living here, you can buy this at Besco, at Bayan. Hey, no.
I'm blocking you.
This is only this M&M. This 4 M&M is only 7 pesos, and this fishy is 6 pesos. So yeah. So guys, I hope you like,
Share,
subscribe,
comment.
and turn on the notification for shoutouts so you cannot miss any of our video, and click the bell button. So yeah, bye. This is our slime. So yeah, bye.